Imalakanda lubahandi asat. Meliku walasit. Ikafandu wahan. Dei kulabahan. Dayavaki itula wasindi kahandasias.
Dodo ishatana kotorobasakahi dolodo subrededos eyakush minu ifizigi zamagadash eregragagagagagagagagagagagagadash rotokondo prasisiketehe rondo kobaba sita kalito ekomo libriti zuzu shada gadada erede ede regagagagagrugaga
Our Heavenly Father, we thank you for this meeting. We thank you for bringing everybody.
Continue.
We thank you for bringing everybody.
Jesus, I don't die.
You can provoke.
Allow me.
Don't angry me.
No, let me pray.
They pray.
Yo, we shall for an pay. Adiachi, the Besha Jumedian as in one morning dada. Adiachi, and pay. Zameda Sovetiasia. Nato Junamei. Eradiayo, Adiachi. Messi Adiachi, Adiachi, and pay. Zameda Sovetiasi. Nato Junamei. Eradiaye. Adiachi. No need to tune you eradiaye. Adiachi no solid. Na compared to maybe naye. Any person catch the Ghana for. One of the most annoying thing on Michi morning devotion. What do you mean by morning devotion? Adiachi solid corner koya juma. Morning devotion will not put food on your table. Prayer will not change anything. I catch them. And Bible and since bibia e catch them. E brebi twemu comment so na me wa solid na me ye sofo. Me so na me solid anopa eye Adiachi o. Edano me church member ba ko frɛ me catch am Savram. Oh CSF me chiam. Empaibo de di ka je empaibo. Member ba ko catch am say Abraham. E bra na o se wo ye sofo. Any sesi a we jaya, o ye common sense a we put to effort. You won't say sesi a na wa bra boy ye better. You even look more like Nema ko ye pochen tama we ye sofo no and wo kire because religion is a burden. Mama mu na akwaba e mamu ne be ma dran bi mu shia no pe maba chechi amu na Adiachi mu se bitika mu kwa adwuma afi ne bi dwale afi ne bi asole e bi tie almost stores wa no earpiece obi aso wa adwuma mu chechi amu na CSF the love is deep yen hani e wono. We are fighting for liberation of the black man. We are not fighting for individuals. There be Payana Secretary 1 DJ Fuad Eba mention say when the share video be awaye no we tie them so Martin say when the share e dwane akosofo ne hona wa kwa to no ne ade nti be de no mama man hwe video no ana Payana me say na me betie there when the share akoka wa so dem wa me nua no CSF no him CSF when the share reply no a reply for common sense family. Me pesa me kire mu ade bi nne tese o mu nyina ne so for no mu follow movement ro tese o mu nyina follow tie nchekire no when the share reply no o mu de akogina so dem akogye microphone no enye wo ba bewu oso no kwanye se usuro enye se so bewu no usuro no ko reply ne prophecy no with common sense. Now the day can say, my catch them say, oh, build a platform we are. And also, you're very careful. Say, when you use platform, no, anything good or be any more, and I say, you'll be a juma, me dear. Some say, you'll be a juma pandemic, you be that. And no, Facebook bloggers, no. A binom universe, she a binom car Facebook or Men and men person jubilate. Okay, this is the time for me to jubilate. Nation Blogger 1, Michiao. Nation Blogger 1, Young Sisi, Michiao. Oh, man, respect you, Papa Young Sisi. This is the time also can be jubilating. Your own moment to Facebook, and you see Facebook. And the guni penny, that's a die your lesson. And the guni penny was it. Seven when you want. Monsha the Aman Krado, and the Peter Paradise. Now, I'm Pesaba Casa, a man Krado see Ghana no. Because Abrano, now there were issues between many revenue Subempa. Now, I'm Pesaba KJ Gumubium. Niobia, upon all my intelligence level, amico Gnano, may try say, may respectful. Adi Aman Krado. Every year Peter Paradise a man kralo ba Ghana na wasanka police cheno catch them ne we remember when they say video no so ti ade am mpere say me use me platform na me dey be go obi animu ase debi and me mpekra ti debi be ye I am not here to attack when they say when free choice ojiji sesidia e yo no na sem me dey may fighting for false prophecy because enyawo when the shey nko na de bi ayo ti me de emfa me ho so when the shey akọ kire na adwen wa so dem wa kwaje microphone na me ba be kire me so ba dwen kakra wa ha debi me mbaye bibi enfense abai wa ni din debi me nya bi da but mama me hu say aso dem no ko ye nya aso no pese wo ko na ade no me ka kire me say when the shey ma me kasa no when the shame make us 1 2 pe enya for hypo even the timing for this prophecy and the timing for when the shame going to the church is wrong. And then the prophecy ni adi na ba time e born 2 years e duru a wonim say time e duru e time e be peja e born na ye se be peja e born ya e bi a wudi ni be kofo on several platforms ebra when the shame buy when the shame adi bi. That was the timer. Now, people were telling when they say, you are coming to ride on the fame of Ebony. That's here, I say, Ebony Dino, Ebuana. Ebony Niho. May that beautiful girl's soul rest in peace. Whoa! And I be share Ebony your name. Automatically, you were the replacement. Jitum so I no crack. Sabi obi ni wa ye po bi sha na 9. Ye wo Ghana ha. O man pay na tamos efrimu. E ye John Dramani Mahama na kwa share ho. En to be catch John Dramani Mahama say, John Dramani Mahama, e yo pay na tamos na free ho e na wo nya chance ya. E wo so ka say ye no crack. O wo anka me nya president. Fine. On several occasions, get defending Debbie, and no. I want to defend the Ukraine. Make out the fighting man. They be do attempt now you're fighting. I don't check. Say, I'm talking see on Facebook, no. Me catch that some microphone. Ne bloggers ring na say, share social media no a powerful tool. Any penny grass no a yeah. Munyai, what it? Yama Yemia baby, you Kuyemia Banani say, or name crime and that among Kralu, a dear man Kralu, dear jam man for social media. Good penny mwasi, say within Yemia baby, you good any mwasi poto, or the young crofo. No send no moka payama, and then Maminga gets so camera, no Maminga again to me casa. Ha! Maminga game to me kasa. After she audio so who audio no. Catch them. 7 previous. E Facebook. And a page na bloggers sing na yambra together. Let's say young sisi. Kaso why? Nim say o on sem kasa o den sem bebe pi. Mun pe twa bibia so. Na social media na won yam fighting for my Ghana. Mo amojejeje bribe. Wow, ukwaji bribe wa ma Peter Paradise believe Peter Paradise share komano na edijawo we ya Ubekom ya na me Avram kura metie me ho bra misika na ne chana ba problem. Obe fight common sense family. Can you disprove logic? Chadi among crowd here Peter Paradise. Me say among crowd do Ghana. Now say I was say police kofano because Peter Paradise obi the idea ball and okun to chine ya among crowd okun free. No ya among crowd here Peter Paradise. Among crowd do here Peter Paradise ni.
Tetu amwabia yiniti e VIP bus mu a woka amanfo kwam braka no e ko loncheni hwe sa brantie we se yie se de ba ya nkokoto na mnam wo kwa kwotena VIP bus bia mu anase wo kwa kwotena ka bia e ko loncheni mu a hwe nipa wote wonchen ansa ka na tu a atu enkwotena ka bia mu a e ko loncheni wo bra won hwe nipa wote wonchen hwe sa mfoni we se yie na se ne nto na fa tu trim bra wo kwotena ka bia e ko loncheni Peter Paradise Tetu amwapataku no woni o hwani mfoni ni ye na wankwa nkoto na mram bra wo kolonjeni abrantie chituo ka nipa kwam e wakam bra ka no aduru kwantimfi enti wan hwe samfoni we se ye ansa ne so a woni muta obeto na mram oye Tetu amwa odi ahim e VIP basim ane kasia e kolonjeni enkran kumase takrade ane tamale de oya ne se ka na aduru kwantimfi baabi na bia watwene tuo baabi obegina na obetwituo na obeka nipa e wakwam no sa baabi kro no e hono na nkrofo nyina se e wasa busi honom enti se wokwa kwatena ka ni mu a hwe nipa wote wonchen ansa ka ni betu a atu wo hwe nipa wote wonchen na hwe na hu se e ya brantie yi a wo hwe sa ni mfoni we se yi a fre police fo anasa wo pa si fom frika num send this video we se ma nipa bia wo contact so ani nipa bia woni me wo Ghana na make sure se sa video we se wo nua bia wo Facebook be send bia ma no na mum post mfanto mo wo so ho se de be ya nipa wo wiase amansa nyina be hu a brantie yi a ya kana asemi wo di agro pa e wo Facebook pa enti mo hwe ni yi so send your friend request our Facebook wa make sure say o accept no your friend Peter Paradise hwe ni mo ye pa so send your friend request our Facebook wa make sure say o accept no so o accept ni we say pe o do ho ato amaniem wone wo say asie so wone wo di nkoma make sure say wo ma no fie bia direction and say o fa wo telephone number e ma no mesre wa ni die mu a wonam sa kwan we say so edi amanfo awu eji o madwapade enti hwe yi send video we say bi ma wo nua bia wo ni no na make sure say wo contact de obi ansa beka bi ni nyani free sa Tetu amwa Peter Paradise ne nsam wanam kwa huro bebre so ana ode bokro no agi amanfo kra agi amanfo adwapade hwani mfoni ni
eye ma mentwa so boni amankralo edidi Peter Paradise no e na mabode a kire mu no tibeka kire mu ye ne ese ye vlogging ne bloggers a ye teach on social media no mama ye nye se adwumai for the greater good of our nation. Boni bempa na Peter Paradise diya. Peter Paradise ono kriya so bibi amankrado. Ono oye sa amankrado Peter Paradise. Na won frama no bo no. Je video we poster say amankrado ewu ni akoye na yi na amankrado se mi mawu ende we wie ya no. Timi future no man say Third World War na esi wo Facebook no. Mo asem ne mami ngege sabe ka cho se me reply oba mami ngege so camera si ni so enipa na eguso e ko 1k getting to 1k onto me nkasa me pamu nyina chaw social media ni ye wono o manyi personal attack or ten hunu me maba me si be disprove religion me disprove Bible and Quran nim Bible nim Quran me pa chaw me so camera nsi so nkama asem because the American me go to Bible to me nchire simple na me dio mo so mo abi wo Bible ne mo mra me ni asofo na enya jai na asofo ne mra simple me ni malamfo na enya jai na malamfo ne mra simple me nkwaje bribe me wa obaje bribe e wo me hu bia no ensi wiye o ebi be ka hu me na me ka kire mo me ko me kire nkrofo a nimpenifo pese ba me nchen ebre miska na me kasa mo me se dabi I am here for the greater good of this country. Ti me use me platform enfa say obi din ti mo bloggers na de me nya time mama mo sabi prebiasa ye ba ni age mu a mu bi no mo ye mpanyimfo se ne me anka ye mu no sanka mo frɛ bi to me fo and me enti na me ni blogger bi adamfo me ni blogger adamfo blogger me ne je close kakra ye tumi send message ye voice audio e ye biscout me ni biscout me hu ideas man me hu Eye Beskadana Prempe. He's the one I've tried and tested. Say this guy is honest. And I'm saying, and I'm being explaining actually, fancy brother, the reason why or perceive you Kobokra Winyam. Nana shady craft from Yam, Fabisa, Nana shady. Otimo Kramen in your corner, Otimo. Voice of you 1 be because we shrewd nipper. Some and that what you need phone and the women you didn't kobo now or record or babesia where you yam say me share branch ye be a branch and say what peme may you come in chain with ye near quacky me more than now what check camera do you see was so record and then you pine yeah on to interest you be minia or phone no per phone a phone record I was watching or be friend I also recording watching when she here we be record na wakwa edit e dia beku wanimu ase me na me ka me kire mo nipa nye ebibifo nye ye ni suban ebi ko to me record no the video na sie obi betumi a record no the video na sie video no the we audio no o the be sie be 3 4 5 6 1 year da woni ni benya asamo pe wo ko video naba audio naba o de be gu ani mu ase and say mo te say na audio bi koso I say me kasafa A+ ho enyem no bi de kodi nkomo o me CSF ya ene dana me jena eko Kofi TV ayeko kasa about TPP no because na Kwame A+ afefre wo phone so a ye di nkomo isi o vision ye tsada no ye wie program no na course banti me squad no me vampires no rasko to come squad no kaso Abraham na botre because yam build this CSF in wie nti o ko dwani bibia nya botre said ye be ya end distracted CSF TPP the vision ye good boni bi yanim but yam build this CSF in wie na Abraham you very careful because asofo no kra ye wie nti politics side no A+ so on say na oni MPP o problem say be ya oni obi nkonya problem na me ye audio say obi nianom mesramo me munim say me very intelligent me ye obi am me ni da ho tenye say me kodwan ni bibi a me nim nti munya abotre ma me na nyanka sa ma study ne me bia question kakra wo nti me toto niama obi ono aba be gura group ni mo so ye CSF ni sa dana eno yi audio ni fi group ani pa be 10 to 15 eguso no enye secret enye bibia no eno yi audio no de ko se ne Kwame A+ enti se na Kwame A+ enya audio no da kran se beto abontin yo eni before eni bre abro ni be yi before ni eni bre abro eni be yi sebe imprebiasa sebe kan se mi me no reven osu bempa kure nya problem me try wo audio saman for the same me about reven osu bempa me still I respect that man besides oya no suffer reven osu bempa as a human being as a Ghanaian I love that man me ni like ne hu tan bi ani me mu but eduru say wo so be defend ni kuo onu be defend ni Christianity na me nso me gina akoma common sense no obi gina as individual e fight for ni kuo ye wie ni problem me try wo audio so amenya ya but I don't like tarnishing people's image. That's me abia me chi wo hwiase ane say obesey obi din because e din say ye ya me do obesey me dia kafa ko bom dia ko e din say ye ya papa me so bom dua me unyame because me nyo body bia but obi ka say o frame atanishi we image ati me sam amam krado mama ngege mo sa squad no ba ko bi kra wom or the fake account e no yo didi matem o ka say me nim no me nim say yo no a munyai o me pese me kasa na kofa try baba munyai ube komu no san krofu ya na esa de no don't sisi tu chema for being sincere and honest and rejecting bribery. Don't let anybody buy your conscience. So when you saw come at Christianity, fight for Christianity with logic, reasoning, and truth. Fanokre. Dio be dia man kwa ye nyina ye. Ade Abraham ye na nokre, ba me dia me ko ma Yesu nti me di ntro de atwitwaje Yesu. Wo wasem. Wo ye malam na otimo the finisher, ekotu Quran and hadith. Na de otimo finisher e kan ye nokre. Na wo say no, ade na nokre, but wo say me kuma nkremusomo a wa problem. Thank you. Aminianom, ye nyina wo Ghana na sofo beka say wendi she ba bewu. Me video me ye no, my video na ma wendi she. Me ye no as a Ghanaian when the say me nim ni baby me ye video no say this nonsense must stop. So for the no wasem no any
kidnapping. Say a kidnapping crofobia. Na kidnapping no e koso na ma Ghana ye huhu. Susum ewiase me hu say nyame abie me hu say ya kidnapping crofobia.
The prophetic
one can't say when they say one they say so I'm saying for man Nyankopon ya one they say before December and go for back kidnap no e dey powers one they say me who say so ya kidnap no was said na kutuo bi mu osu no was say was for 21 days no would no has there pro na go for dey powers one they say afi afi bonne de man can't say no say bishop prophet I was happy say no ho fa no Jesus I won fa nyame na so akasa
the nation prophet akasa the prophet one
so man e bra yi afa ho ma nyame a afi crophobia plan say kidnap no
Jesus
no be wala them then go for that the power
papa kasa nyame ho wo so
ga na wu aban no okotophobia ko meeting afa ga no Susum okot females in phobia say mama yam pastor ba ku bia wagidi o Ghana never sacrifice to our cause
Jesus
one day say
yes
I want you as my daughter
Jesus
if you don't repent you die before the end of December after mon kan say gospel singer say me who said to wu they say
Entimiano asema so for kan ye sebe prebiasa men twan na mbeto me yere mbeto me ba mebusu ni ansama kasa ti as usual ye de enkomhye bi ba na enkoyi a e ba be kirem nyema bi ekoso say no e very bad ena when di shema me ba bontin no so be kasa say ena de ekoso no eye ni bresem obi fa phone e frame e di kan ka kire me enti obi di kan ka kire me ena osofo ne so aba be ka de a ende eye ade adom ena Nyankopon kronkron ena ama we nyina konti when di shema me kwa me na anya adwen say no obi afa phone na fra say what there enameye CS breaking news yes obi ti work ka say asofo bi epeso bu kumi o makoto nentwie e de a hye fom o peso mo ya Abraham say o mo de Abraham say meka me map Ghana flat ya say hwe Ghana na mranya adwuma the moment ya wakwakwata na radio so ana wafa phone mpo aka kire me say enkrofo bi bo poso be kumi no more you say no you are the first suspect because who concrete evidence you have to assist the police for investigation even before they say you because of hype kakra media houses libi YouTube kakra udi video be kwa kotunti no mo obi abet na ho timesram nye bibia na yeka nye bibia mentu metanka emeka say me no biscouter all I say me nkrofobi bopo so mpeso ku biscuit na omo ye say na me ma details echa say ade no me what fact tell say biscuit e ma police be family because bibi to no e be kan na yere na ma Ghana had obi akwatra TV so e na we mo na nkasa e na we enkrofo bu ku no e na we omo me de yetiwi omo me kan yetiwi ti when the shema me osan ko debre na number na fra wono ko report number no na sofo no so upa bi ka kire no na me video me ye mamuti ase say when the shema me kasa kakra pe ade enye for hype ade ayeye enye for hype obi be ka say ye dey hype ti no me ka say ye hype dey mo amasem so obi abia dance ya de me ye hu say ade na ye hype ne say number 1 the timing is wrong time the yan come she baye anytime when the shame and be ka say any when the share copy saw them any time Ebony ebedi 2 years who when the share you are the replace for Ebony. Enti question me bisa de say enti jemamu sheda ya ade yi say de be ya Ebony 2 years wa wonim Ebony din ba be peja biom ti mo de ba be kum sa shine no ana your question when the she being a Christian is for my problem so for the crack say when the she ansakra e ma bisa say boni be mpa when the she aya won sakra. So for the person say when the shey wo boni awo ye no e ya nwomu awoto ene wo dressing because me who say when the shey why you obi da enti wo dressing no ene wo nwomu no me ya sure say free say see akode when the shey dressing basa no wejai na ewiase nwom so wejai wa kwakoto gospel wa saw them no common sense to asoto ye nua ba when the shey e kodi adanse wa saw them mo hwe say why nti no kwa asole wo why mo ma yenti
for the Wayama me, and I'm a person that prophet of Isiakia. And so I say, and I'm the soon, and he's a new lecturer, I'm a mina, and so they are solid at TV. In fact, the prophet, you know, we could say no, as I'm a papa, you're not correct because they are saying, confirmation, like I said, confirmation because now. They are saying the way I come on at the first one, I just say, I did about so much share and pap. It's in the Bahamas, and as a stroke, in Tina, my day, my Bahamas, and the baby, and I say, and I back and ask for help. But I actually asked that because I know Diana, see, yes, she be saying, one physically, not spiritually, so. Yes, I did actually wait on door and I make a woman back. So, the
yeah, to us, no. Dressing na ye ni abandi gina so dem ho e de akwaje mic a obedi adanse asa to nyom no dressing enye Christian dressing enye Christopher dressing no di gina ho no oko Christo sumu a enye ne dressing so for the kasa se when di shan sakra ti bana wa ba no na dwen sakra no di gina ho no ti ye to aso
prophecy by because see na we page so down before the papa na make private catch small because Nyame will reveal to redeem at us. And see, the performance sending me inbox when they use common sense, it's common sense. Now we common sense, you're blessed. So common sense go to of course. But Nyame Abdo any favor, it's really common sense. Because common sense is that young couple who can share David, no a shepherd, or kind of dinosaur. Common sense and just a way to the beginning. But Nyamina don't any favor that one papa but neither you are feeling what Israel progressively say. Common sense and share said, so we go school, and I'm son, you catch and say we go school, go to university, we are many Sika. Now, so Nyamina don't it's Nima will be out and then see classroom down. Emma, obey this campo at one power PhD, and see another one so we are never will talk common sense, and just says we will be born here. Ena, Anka, or 3 or body. But the last time I used to say, oh, you'll be up on the crowd, you need to be out. That's what I said, you know. Now, I say common sense when you drink, so when you'll be able to cry, obey me up and evil, against you. And see, the Baba you say, I said, that, the Diana said, and say, you never got to. So when you him to a Tom John because Yammy, I let them up and see. And Jesus Cassidy, today, maybe my phone,
abusuafo tiam se mu nyina mu akwakotie yenua ba Wendy Shay officially amena also se Wendy Shay gospel musician officially ya magana fo nyina tia se Wendy Shay asakra cause sofo ne say on sakra isanse wan sakra en commission ne bebem Wendy Shay de anidie ama prophecy odi anidie ama Yesu wakopreja ne nsa wa so dem Wendy Shay gospel musician yempese yebete say wabo secular music biom because in commission it say when they say adia wayi it is an insult to everybody who stood in to defend her bloggers because ye social media and you would suffer the omwano e dey amamfo when the sheikh say God reveals to redeem until we are dead done everybody dey na Nyankopon time no this is Wendy dia wo ka kire Ghana for no everybody dey Nyankopon penasem enye sa wo dey nyame dowa ma wabra botene wo dey mfumso bi ani ho wabra boso ani ti wo dey grade yi a kire wo thank you this is common sense when the shed here, we are so special. Say, Ewurade dowa ma. Akwaje microphone atondo me Ewurade aye. Be explain common sense. Na dena mo ma example bia Bible na da ko tete Bible no na mo ko to example frame. Me ka kire Ghana bibia say for the past 50 years and 20 years years show me one thing nyame aye. One thing God has done. Prove it. Without quoting that your comic book. Say, na David you say nine, na ye favor. Favor ni ade bobra o. O ka say favor. Any ade bobra. Talent, gift, any effort. when the shake can say and obi a work school now obi on go school education makes you a follower, your talent makes you a leader, your talent and effort they be american wa to mo ye buburo nyina no kakra bi na ye school omo ye school no kra omo links and connection bobo mu break it through amazingly and you omo use pure talent education education am me there e ma me how to read and write Emma me who I can research but you me pure talent and am me there no to any say school akọ bebrebe no e your talent within you and everybody feel na aba share naija boom una akọ no two crowd ka say when everybody do and God refused to redeem one. It is even an insult to our sister Ebony. On the Yamin no. Ti nyami yi na nyami ku ne to twene wo de odo to akoto aye edwum. Ti ya de me de meka say wo the death prophecy and the be hype wo ho a eye mo sem me de I'm not here to say anything. Me mbeka bibia so you ride on the wings of death prophecy. Any will be war time e duru now there. O ba be fa ho agi udin se sa na wa ye dia. What was them? Ka when the show was de bia. Yen na ye betra defend one because anu yi aye di gina so dem e de ku nipa bebere wo Ghana ha. Is amosi anya planting dia mo sem. But never try to disprove logic. When you try to disprove common sense, you become a fool. Say, not David if you and so David Baya and a David Yami favor dan is sunti. David Bayo hene. Okay. And the Janum not to also call him nine. Why? Kwana call him nine. Now the Shebushi. Why? The favor of the Lord about the UF Rabayo when the shade. Ko ken nyan o fulani ni a we be president of Ghana ada so bi na muura mi fulani Ghana ha a prophet and a chuso hene won a prophecy and the chuso president tie de problem bi ani e be kan say yet ya ye pan so man Ghana be fa na ntoma pefra mesra mi nuanom Ghana fo gina obi am put effort e wade oyem na ye hu sade bia ye bia no e be for the greater good of this country e be boa na o man Ghana afa na ntuma pefra e no e na ye fight for e ye den amewu unsu bewu obi abewu. Let's learn how to leave a legacy and na be boa ye young sisi michia biscuit michia fancy brother michia Kofi Adoma mituchama mo boy adwuma. We need sincere and honest people. Sincere and honest people are yeah digesting issue without fear and favor. And a boy no man Ghana ye pese Ghana fa na ntoma pefra no Ghana ebetu ya fa na ntoma pa na efra ya rakosem ewia with the news bulletin so for no crash and come after so for bi ma so for no crash says am commission when yintum when the shey age ne de na to me aminu so for bi say so for no sha ne ho kom no on yintum na on yintum watch na esan say yes so for say ya ba be gwa hey Ghana de mobo na ebe kakra ye gusua ye bie ni ebe ye bamchaw mo obedi anamba na mo kan che obedi ase ye frem na ya wonfa ye pa de chawa why ye pa de chaw ye frem wonfa na ye debate ya che ye won krofo malamfo mi no afre malamfo na ye miensa malamfo no ma ye miensa malam na ba ko kra na ye debate pen Hafiz te asan efre part 2 te ya chi obi gu anache te CSF Mon share him debate be soon and say ya. Obedian your friend one fan. So as of from the Obediana, yeah, person your children you're finishing one time. Said a bear a quim baby na abuaye nyina anti CSF madam nyina say yetumi abampa mcha wa no pay Monday me pam chaw Monday to Friday effort ba to akwadro bi ni ho misramo mo abobokro no wadwan mu nyai we ye wi agai wa yesramo ai person man Ghana fa na tuma pefra omo say Ghana pa civil servant for the pam chaw passport office for the swap DVL for munya madwuma yi yesramo a birth and death registry yesramo nipa no wawu pam chaw nipa no efe no kechuku a pam chaw ma monye ayi mamonye ayi bi ama no birth certificate bi ama no pam chaw passport office yesramo connection adoso bribe gie no adoso pam chaw nyeme bi o ha mo ya magana fo a it is not a favor, it is our right. It is our right as citizens to have a passport. It is my right to have a driving license. Men ya dey say wo ya me favor. E na me dwon am ntiase. Me ba beje passport. Obe fi say dey oman na ya me favor. It is my right as a citizen. So be get driving license. Oh, esramu a munya adwuma ni yi. Munya adwuma ni yere pa excavators no we bi o bia no. Yesra wa we excavator ni bi o bia no fa bra na ye jeje. Yepamochaw yesramu a pamochaw wa excavator ni bi ebedi wo no fa bra na ye hia. Why? Yesramu a na gold bi so ayera pamochaw nyina mbra yesramu a why? Wa na confirm to coin up to today confirm ni mai. Why? Excavator there otu enye yi excavator ntu. Yeah, confirm the oko. By now man for achi omware excavator the ori enye yi. Why? Ti o memu bibia nkoye wo man ni. Tu so man kakraka Ghana na eda ko. Nipa kakra bi ene etwa Ghana ho ahia. Etwitwa Ghana. Etwitwa Ghana every to say cake. O dey be someone on papa nom ewo abem ni on papa nom ewo position no. Ibinum sika yedigu efiewura soame oman Ghana me kire sika manfo di wo Ghana ho no person sa manfo di sika ushia okujoto abla kwahwe ne ko echi bo nam bi ebo enam bi ebo ne ko echi ase edu nkatia no kese ne ho ka ushia ase edu nkatia nka bedwan oh oman Ghana nipa kakra bi na etwa oman ni wo hia no mo do mo nsa bom pupo na mo di Ghana sika ne ye bre mo bembe mpenyufo no betu akopanyini bi fie ube usika wo yembe hyew ibinum sika ne bu boxes ne ya hyehye boxes Maika kraka da ko dipa kakre bi ne didi Ghana ho to ye youth who put effort. Now be NDC MPP or come there that they no why dream that be say crazy. They pay for preposition. We said we see jiska a pumpiska to your bribe to your delegate. Jamo preposition. E di nkwentina obi petumia or to your bribe to me. Is it for the greater good of the country and our personal interest? And maybe some catch them and pay for them. They don't have the youth of this country at heart. They don't have the youth of this country at heart. It is just greed and selfishness. And we catch them. Who you youth are you? Put effort. Container na we be boutique no. Jai guess na wo di ari boutique kra da bel ya to shirt. Na save. Na catch young boys no. Sramu ontoto nyema nyi yie ya. Hwe no ankwanye mo bi ba. Ya de ba ko a akekere me nan eye me wontem, me wododo wontem. Ti misika nyina konkoda na wo me can be a fucking rich. Me catch them. Can be I mean Alliance Emotion Global. Misca me any you know. But me who say I'm now investing in the children. Hwɛ no wankɔnye mo bi ba sisi a nkɔ wo mienu miensa sisi a minia sɛ wokɔnye mo ma mienu miensa na wo na we are responsible to say me responsible father like me a oyi ye bɛɛden ade sɛ ɔkɔyɛ papa fo no mo nhwɛ mo mba no na wo gya nkora no gu hɔ na wo make life na wo ba the youth no you focus nyeske bia na de road ross misrawo nyeske bia na de kwachele me pacha wo bi bre Monday to Friday no wako blue Monday Friday no wako blue Monday Friday no wako blue wadan fo no ndi blue de bia na wo to ma ne nom no o save o no benom ba wo chi ba kro frɛ no a obama stories e ma adwene nya adwuma adwene anya adwuma body na bre e beda mi na CSF Ebeshia ewiemu for CSF news bulletin. Na nde so say lesson ya koba brunim koba bem. Koba baba brunim. Ya da mungina ase.
Imalakanda lubahandi asat. Meliku walasit. Ikafandu wahan. Yei kulabahan. Dayavaki itula wasindi kahandasias.
Ishatana Kotoroba Sakai Olodo Matalamande Subrededosh Eyakush Minu Ifizigi Zamagadash Eregragagagagagagagagagagagagadash Rotokondo Prasintehe Rondo Kobaba Sita Kalito Ekomon Libriti Zuzu Shada Gadada Erede Ede Regagagaga Grugaga Rugagaga
Barekatare, 64 years husband, 38, no child, 5 years in married, Switzerland.
Yes, please.
Switzerland, it's a Switzerland. Yes, Switzerland. 64 husband, 38, no child, 5 years in married, nothing, no property, no everything. They refuse visa for 3 times. Yeah, they refuse visa for 3 times. Kare. Ariana akia toma siya te tatia katia. Hi, I'm in your house right now. Go, bare lele yatae atuabe mansa atu kele kasiyate ariate yakazi ariate arianda akuri makatarima bare ata akari kare kasi yaterera bare kasi yati kare passport ni demo any demo kare azare okay akari hey zaria meri area to murokoto mu wani nti mahu se mabaho ngai akuri masate akiria akatani makatuni makatai akiri makatani batu akari makati basi akimbereka bai akia otori makai maria ayya siwa kambari hey akia kali akamura kakai abari akai ayya otori akai mura kaiya ayya saya kali akali altoa bai arong ya kai kali atumala akai bari akali awo bari akai harara salada na boni ya kamera toni ya lori ya kabai harong dari ya toni maka Miliatai, Arasa Rianda Katai, Bari, Hariakaria Sai, Hariakaria Honia, Mary, Ariasari, Lori Riasa, Amari Ariaswalai, Mary Aziria Coriasa. Remove Rompabuano.
Remove your shoe.
Rompabuano.
Remove your shoe.
Ye passport to the image.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
For online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Brochimemu na upobia to bibie friga na mawa en how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria enye for baku neton. Upe laser enye for baku neton. Upe kentia enye for baku neton. Upe biano enye nipa baku neton. Omu wanya your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so enche kura na wunsaka. Uwa America, UK, Canada. We are here for 9 na baby bia wo biano. Ombe shipi wunyamano dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no I yes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Fititetetere de bepemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emensukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw emawani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababeso how bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa ehotew ne watu ade amawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehun se baabia wo kire yense to know a yadi betu su asasene yem ansan yetu ye hand any electronic pump installation hydrofracture ya the machines ahoro esi asasene ni ya twinsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no ehotew utimenum wode hurade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bin nyumeku momre ne rade na ya drilling company limited ya bebu am wenye super putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Erade na ye drilling company limited. This is to Ayenkwan.
Mami no twetwe nkomo kakra bi. Ye frame me Mr. Good Taste. Esa say, minima de efe. E bia obedi djuma die bi te say, birthday parties, outdooring, weddings, any outdoor event bia dia, me kamfu Afredo Hotel e de amaw. Na so ba Afredo Hotel a ye djuma efo ho te, no mo sere kama. Sanso ye was spacious environment a, wo de be ye event nyina, sere me kan and weddings, birthday parties, outdooring. Any event I would win at Afredo Hotel, I will be a so kama out the best edge my dear winner. So if you baby never so free manone and now we're gonna hire now back or sake room and as a garden city dear and she baby I say Afredo Hotel. Ubehu Afredo Hotel, I will Kumasi a great Kinzama Bia a bank Portrait Junction. Fra Afredo Hotel, I was 0245 58 4138 and that's 0245 645437. Email afredohotel2015@gmail.com. Afredo Hotel. Experience the best of customer service.